In this video, I will show you the simple steps you need to take to get started with LinkedIn. First, go to the website linkedin.com and click Join Now. Choose your preferred sign-in method. It could be a phone number or an email address. Enter a password and click Agree and Join. Next, enter your first name and last name and click Continue. LinkedIn will perform a small security check to verify that you are a real person creating the profile. It's a simple test where you just click the correct picture and then you are validated. Now you can enter your most recent job title. For example, I have Social Media Manager as my most recent title. Select your employment type and enter the company name. You can choose the company you are currently working for or type in any company. I'm just going to type ABC Company. Once that's completed, LinkedIn will send a confirmation code to the email address or phone number you provided. Enter the code you receive into your browser. At this point, LinkedIn may ask whether you are looking for a new job. You can skip this step if you prefer. Add the type of jobs you would consider and the job location and click Next. In this section, you can choose to share your profile with recruiters. Let's toggle this off for now and click Next. You will see a QR code that you can scan to get the LinkedIn app. Click Next to continue. Here, you can connect with other people on LinkedIn or simply skip this part for now. You can also follow people and companies in your industry. Then click Next. That is how you can create a LinkedIn account. In the next video, I will show you how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to this channel for more LinkedIn content.